My name is Douglas Miller, and I'm the facilities manager at All-Star Automotive Group. I take care of all the facilities needs at All-Star Automotive Group. We cover 40 buildings in 3 parishes. We started working with Star Service 27 years ago in 1998. Kenny Greer was the facilities manager then. He brought Star in. They had multiple problems at each location. He interviewed several HVAC contractors, and Star got the job, and they've been doing a great job ever since then. What we love about Star is their preventative maintenance contracts actually keep our costs down by taking care of all of our heating and cooling systems on a regular scheduled basis. We also have several guaranteed protection contracts with Star where they come out, repair anything for the same set price every month. It includes parts, labor, communication, everything. So we know what we're paying every month at these stores, and that allows us to create a good budget for that store. Some of our control systems that we have in place that Star helps us take care of allow us to really increase our energy efficiency in 40 buildings in 3 parishes. I would highly recommend Star to any other facilities that are looking to find someone to take care of their heating and cooling needs. We actually just did a requote and looked at some other companies, and Star's price still beat them out about 30% from the other outfits that we quoted out. Not only is their service excellent, but their price is also.